Hi guys, Karen here, and yeah, we got snow. So this was not supposed to be the video for today, but um, but I need to check on the garden. So here we go. So the tulips are up here, and I'm just trying to make sure that they're okay. So guys, this is the garden. This morning we had a snowstorm. And I'm gonna get through this quick because my battery keeps dying. So I'm just out here checking on everything. Most things died back. I don't know if you can hear me, died back for the winter. Um, but I'm just checking on, okay, so our leeks. We had some parsley growing there, so I don't think that's gonna survive. The oregano plants had already died back. As you can see, everything is pretty much covered now, but it was mulched pretty good. I do not know how long this video is gonna last, but yeah, the leeks are all frozen. Uh, and we've had, see right here, we've had some tulips and daffodils start to emerge. But yeah, if something wasn't gone already, it's gone now. For instance, like those hadn't died back yet. And yeah, over here, all of our hydrangeas had already, you know, died back for the winter. Um, this, I should have cut that back, but okay. Um, yes, I'm just out here checking on everything. Yeah, the salvia, and those were daisies, I believe. So, but we're getting, it was snow first, now it's ice. Oh, and over here, there's, I'm gonna let this be, but oh, see, there's some uh, daffodils starting to come through, because this is just daffodils here. Yeah, so just checking on everything to make sure it's all okay. Uh, grapevine, it's already dormant, so that's great. These herbs, I don't know how well they're gonna do. And the irises, they started coming up. So yeah, not too sure about that. Oh, my hand is so cold. The rose petals, um, but those should have died back. The other one did. So yes. And the lavender, see, all of that spinach is gone. All of that spinach right here. That died back last week in the other storm. So just checking on that. But everything should be good to go. I'm not worried. Oh, so we have a daffodil right there. So we have a daffodil right there. But okay. So we shall see. This is very interesting. Hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are. And uh, yeah, this is North Carolina. And you can hear the snow. Can you see it? It's turning into like a mix. So anyway, that's all she wrote for me, folks. I'm headed inside before my phone just forcibly dies. Okay, Stay safe, guys. Bye. Oh, my hand's not even working.